ça colle aussi chez nous.
Here's the next top where we'll be going today. So another few hours of hiking. There are a few people in front of us. Ben and Anne-Sophie.
Coucou. Nous apprêtons à faire notre première, non deuxième descente, mais la première vraie après